So this video is all about inversion. Upside down is the right way to go.
I'm Genuine Nard, and this is everything I've learned about growing my natural type 4 hair. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and thanks.
So if you are in the natural community, you've heard about inversion. And so this is going to be a little quick video of my take of inversion and how I have been using it to increase the blood flow to my scalp. Maybe it'll work for you. Let's watch the clip.
The women of Asia are world renowned for their long, very long, beautiful hair. And for years, we thought it was all genetic. Now we're learning there are many scientific factors that contribute to the great lengths of hair in these regions. One is the native foods of Asian diets are loaded with plant-based oils, silica, protein, biotin, and other hair-loving and delicious nutrients. Also, the way water was used culturally was different. After the third cholera pandemic killed millions, Western thinking was cloudy water is deadly. Water was processed in plants where it was treated with enough chlorine to kill bacteria and then filtered. It was then piped through homes and tracked on maps that can trace these measures right back to the methods of John Snow. But in other countries, or if you were too poor for indoor plumbing, water was rare and precious. It was hauled great distances or pumped from wells. Wasting water was deadly. So women in Asian cultures cleverly saved the water that they boiled their food in to wash their hair. We're now learning that water is not only sterilized by the boiling process, but also infused with the nutrients from the food that make hair follicles push out hair faster and for longer periods of time. Sadly, cholera still kills thousands each year, and clean drinking water has become a global problem. We also learned about Ayurveda in our color video, and henna and other natural ingredients have been used since ancient times to grow hair longer and stronger. But more than just genetics or water or diet, it's the way Asian women move. I'm talking about yoga. It's believed to have started between 800 and 600 BCE as part of Hinduism. Most Hindu texts discuss yoga as a practice of controlling the senses and ultimately the mind. Yoga combines breathing, meditation, and body poses for the purpose of spiritual awakening, relaxation, and health. And we're now learning that many of these poses are believed to grow your hair faster. First, let's get into why this could be true. In a March 2021 Harvard University study, researchers have identified the biological mechanism by which chronic stress impairs the hair follicle stem cells. This is confirming long-standing observations that stress might lead to hair loss. Yoga has been shown to decrease stress. The Mayo Clinic states that regularly practicing yoga reduces stress significantly. You can also encourage blood flow to the head, which can reverse hair loss. Inverted, upside-down poses can enhance blood flow to the scalp. Increased circulation means better nutrient absorption and ultimately faster hair growth. And while there's no studies that have been done that either prove or disprove the inversion method, I know so many women that believe this is the secret to much, much longer locks. So you can invest if you like in one of these fancy inversion machines. Now, I don't do this very often, but I'm just going to brush all of my ends so that they are facing the ground. My feet are locked in. You can't see that because I didn't film it. And you just give your scalp a little massage. And then as you flip back up, all of the blood flow and that massage will give your scalp a good tingle. You can do the same motion without the investment by bending at the waist and just massaging your scalp with your ends facing the ground. Now, this has some wonky camera angles, but hopefully you're getting the idea. After about 2 minutes, you can slowly bring yourself back up. Now, this is me when I first started doing this, and this is me 6 months later, and I have not been very regular. But as you can see, I think it works. If you worry that yoga might be too hard, inversion is easy. Try adding 2 minutes of inversion to your daily routine. It should relieve some stress, and it might even make your hair grow faster. And thank you to my beautiful sisters from Asia. It's fun to learn from others and have others learn from us.
So now I am done hanging upside down. I will tell you, inversion works. It is going to increase the circulation to your scalp and decrease your overall stress level, which is always good for your hair growth because your hair responds to circulation, right? The more circulation that you have, then the greater and stronger your connections to your follicles will going to be, and the faster your hair is going to grow. So try inversion. This is a winner chicken dinner, and it's a good form of exercise too. Look, I'm looking a mess on this camera, the things I do for views and clicks. All right. So that's it for this one. And my hair has not broken. I just blew it out and did this video. And then I trimmed it because it's time for my trim. My trim alarm went off. And so every 6 months I get a trim on my hair. But it's still really pretty, doing good, right? This is the longest my hair has ever been, and it's way into my armpit. All right, so if you have not already done so, subscribe to the tribe. Click that little subscribe box that is rolling by. And if you like this kind of content and you want to learn more about easy, healthy, natural ways that you can make your hair grow, go to the channel. And I'm going to be reorganizing that channel so that it's easier. But if you go to any of those videos, you're going to be able to get a ton of information and pretty quick. They're about 10 minutes or so. And I hope you see that I am sincere. I'm giving you the best information that I have. And as I learn better, I will share it. And if you like this content, click like. If you haven't already done it, right? Subscribe to the tribe. That's a little subscribe box rolling through. And I understand that you are busy. I thank you so very much for sharing a little bit of your time with me today. And let me know who you are in the comments because I'm giving you 100% me. All right. Have a great rest of your day. I am wishing you success in all of your goals. All right. Bye.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this one. Tell me how it turned out for you in the comments. Click like, subscribe and ring that bell for all the videos in this playlist, or just view these next two. And thank you again for watching. All right, that's it.